Hi everyone, I am Menaka, working as an Assistant Professor of Information Technology, Dr.N.G.P Arts and Science College. Today's the topic of discussion is about data structures, the organization of data, and it's also called as arrangement of data. We have computers, we can store and retrieve informations from the computer. So for the efficient retrieval of information or any stored data, we need the efficient storage. For that we are using data structures. So this is a set of algorithms which is used to compute or store the data efficiently. So we have different kinds of data structures. So that is divided into two main categories. One is linear and the other is non-linear. So in case of linear data structure, we have two kinds. One is stack and queue. In non-linear categories, we have a linked list and then trees and graphs. Stack is a data structure which is an ordered list of data, which is a linear data structure. We can store and retrieve data from one end of this data structure called top. So the main two operations performed using stack are push and pop. Push is an operation which is used to insert an element onto the stack, and pop is an operation which is used to delete an element from the stack. So all the operations performed using stack are made in one principle, made using a principle called last in first out. That is, the element which is inserted at the last is deleted first or removed first. That is LIFO principle. So the main variable used in stack is called top, so which indicates the top position of the stack. And the two main operations that is to be considered in stack is stack full and stack empty. So stack full condition, so when the stack is full, we cannot add an element onto the stack. So before inserting an element, we have to check whether the stack is full or not. If the stack has at least one position, we can able to add the data. And the another constraint we need to check before deleting an element from the stack is whether the stack is empty or not. So we cannot delete an element from an empty stack. So before deleting, we have to check the emptiness of the stack. Thank you.